Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A'azza'i talaba. In the previous lesson, we talked about time adverbs. Time adverbs can be divided into parts. Number one, some time adverbs give a definite time, such as every day, in the morning, after school. Number two, some time adverbs give an indefinite time, such as often and usually. Our lesson today, Unit 7, Lesson 4, on page 69 in the pupil's book. The title of our lesson, How, Where, and When. Adverbs and adverbials, or adverbs in general, are words or phrases used to describe place, time, and manner of the verbs. Also divided into three parts. Number one, adverb of manner. Number two, adverb of place. Number three, adverb of time. These give information about a verb. Adverbs give us information about a verb. Also, they tell us how, where, and when something happens. For example, we got here very quickly. The word quickly here means how. Adverbs are single words. Quickly, single word, means adverb. While adverbials are phrases. For example, we left on Tuesday. On Tuesday, here, adverbial, means when. So, word order. The adverbs can be divided into three: time, number one; number two, manner; number three, place. So, put indefinite time and frequency adverbs before the verb. For example, I sometimes go swimming. The word sometimes here means indefinite time and frequency adverb. So, put definite time adverbs at the beginning or end of a sentence or clause. For example, after school, I'm going to have a swim. The sentence I'm going to have a swim comes before it, after school. This after school means definite time adverb, comes at the beginning of a sentence. Another example, I'm going to have a swim after school. After school here means definite time adverb, comes at the at the end of sentence. This sentence, I am going to have a swim, comes after it, after school. The adverb of time, definite time adverb, after school, comes at the end of sentence. So, number two, manner. Put adverbs of manner after the verb or adjective. For example, number one, they walked slowly. Here, the word slowly means adverb of manner, comes after the verb walked. So number 2, another example. They crossed the desert on foot. Here the phrase on foot, adverb of manner, comes after the object, the desert. Object comes after it, on the foot, adverb of manner. So number 3, adverb of place. Put adverbs of place after the verb or object. For example, I gave my homework to my teacher. The phrase to my teacher here, adverb of place, comes after object, my homework. So if you have 3 adverbs, when you have 3 adverbials in a sentence, the usual order is manner, number 1, number 2, place, after that comes time. For example, my friend sang very well. This sentence have 3 adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. The order of these adverbs in this case: number 1, adverb of manner, very well, adverb of manner, comes after it, at the concert, adverb of place. So comes after adverb of place, adverb of time, last night. The order, the usually order of order is manner, very well. So at the concert, adverb of place. So in the last night, adverb of time. Here explain in Arabic to clarify some points for you. The adverb or adverbs in general are words or phrases used to describe a place, time, or manner for the verb, divided into 3 parts. Number 1, adverb of manner. Number 2, adverb of place. Number 3, adverb of time. First, adverb of manner are adverbs ask about them by how. Adverbs of manner ask about them by how. So the location or the place comes, the place of adverb of manner comes after the verb and after the object. For example, he sings loudly. Here comes after the verb sing. Adverb of manner, loudly, comes after the verb sings. Another example, they go to school on foot. Here, on foot, adverb of manner, comes after the object. So, number 2. Sometimes or maybe contain adverbs of time contain one word, as loudly, happily, sadly, well, and two words or phrase, two words such as in a hurry, by car, on foot. Second, adverb of place. Adverb of place, number one, adverbs are usually ask for them by where. Ask for them by where. So place of adverbs of place comes after the main verb and object. For example, my mother is out. Out, adverb of place, comes after the verb is. Another example, I play tennis in the garden. In the garden, adverb of place comes after object. This is adverbial, or because it is a phrase. Number two, also maybe contains or contain adverbs of time, or adverbs of place contain one word like here, there, out, inside, or more words or word such as in the garden, in the house, on the table. Last adverb or third adverb, adverbs of time. Adverbs of time. Adverbs of time can be divided into, number one, adverbs give us definite time, such yesterday, tomorrow, now. Also, the place of adverb of time comes or come at the beginning of a sentence or at the end of clause. For example, I am playing football now. The word now, adverb of time, comes at the end of the sentence. For another example, yesterday, adverb of place, adverbs of time comes at the beginning of sentence. Yesterday, I went to the park. Number two, adverbs of time don't give definite time, or for example, usually, often. Usually the place or the location, adverbs of time after the subject or after the auxiliary verb. For example, he is always happy. The word always, adverb of time, comes after the auxiliary verb. Another example, she often plays tennis. The word often, adverb of time, comes directly after the subject. Yes. The order of adverbs or arrangement of a range of adverbs. Number one, adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time. For example, my father drove the car fast. This is adverb of manner. To the house, adverb of place. Yesterday, adverb of time. There are examples for our subject. Sammy played, for example, well in the race last week. Last week well in the race, or in the race well last week. This is homework for you. Inshallah, send to me in the next day. This is very important exercise on page 89 in the activity book. Put these words and phrases in order to make sentences. This is very important. Sentences. You will do homework in the next day. Inshallah, send to me your homework. إلى هنا نأتي إلى نهاية الدرس. الحمد لله رب العالمين، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.